Hi guys! So, welcome mga ka-journey, mga kapamilya, at mga sadik, mga kaibigan. So, today is the official start of my YouTube channel. So, I decided to make this video just to let you know that I'm starting to make video. Hopefully, it will be like a weekly or even monthly. I realized that it is important to archive some of the journey and some of the things that you are like exploring, like that. That's why I make this. I name my channel Jor Bahira Jor. It means the journey of Bahira. So Bahira is an adapted Arabic name because here in Jordan, I'm actually right now in Amman, Jordan, since 2020. But of course, I got to go home also like twice after the pandemic. So I decided to make this time a video because I actually been to 23 countries and I haven't really uploaded videos. So it's like I'm thinking maybe I can also make a vlog for every journey that I'm doing or every travel that I'm doing. Actually, this coming July, I'll be traveling to Armenia and Georgia, and it's my 24th and 25th country. So maybe you can join me with my journey, and also let's try some food delicacy that the country has, or even here in Jordan. I will make videos of as many as adventure of like tasting food here in Jordan or even the country that I'll be going. So again, thank you for subscribing. See you in the next videos.
شوف جيب ثاني